We build landmark of the city. We create development speed of the city. We depict future of the city. Shanghai Construction, building brilliant works together with you. In the journey of nearly 60 years, experiencing hardships, witnessing successes and growing up together with our motherland, Shanghai Construction has always been undertaking important tasks in the building and modernization of China's cities. Shanghai Construction's hard work and wisdom has contributed greatly to the miracle of Shanghai's development. Since China started the reform and opening up policy, Shanghai Construction had broken construction engineering records in China and the world for many times, such as Lupu Bridge, Maglev Line, Shanghai Synchrotron Radiation Facility, Oriental Pearl TV Tower, East China Sea Bridge, Hongqiao Communication Hub. Building height in China is created in Shanghai. Jinmao Tower, China's tallest building when completed, height 420.5 meters. Shanghai World Finance Center, China's new record in building height, 492 meters. Shanghai Tower, height 632 meters. Groundbreaking in November 2008. Shanghai Construction is the general contractor. Architectures are the historical record written by mankind on Earth. As the symbol of civilization, classical architectures always emerged at every World Expo. Theme of Expo 2010 Shanghai was Better City, Better Life. Shanghai Construction had undertaken 80% of the construction work at the Expo Park, which was the largest site in the history of World Expo, such as permanent buildings like China Pavilion, Expo Axis, Theme Pavilion, Culture Center and Expo Center, and most of the pavilions at the Puxi section of the Expo Park, including the garden and landscape work at the Expo Park, and also the related improvement construction project at the Bund in the city center, with total built area of 1.4 million square meters. From designing to construction, many world's advanced scientific and technical achievements in the building industry have been combined, and the concept of harmonious development was also embodied. So what the builders have achieved are not just the completion of construction work. Their promise of Green Expo, Economy Expo and Scientific Expo had all been solemnly kept. The takeoff of economy makes the city change with each passing day, and also brings unprecedented opportunity for development to Shanghai Construction, which is now making investment, carrying out project design, construction and etc. at over 20 provinces in China. We've built this dreamlike National Grand Theatre, the imposing Jiangning Bridge, laying of submarine water pipe, Zefeng Building in Nanjing, height 450 meters, graceful Guangzhou TV Tower. Shanghai Construction has also been undertaking construction projects at over 30 overseas countries and regions, since many of these projects have become the landmarks of these locations, thus making contributions to the economic and social development of these countries and regions. heaven is bound to reward the diligent. By expanding business on a large scale to new engineering fields, to the other provinces of China, and going abroad, Shanghai Construction is on a very promising development track. Nowadays, the business of Shanghai Construction has expanded to various municipal highway projects, large bridge, metro project, development of underground space, cross-river tunnel, environment protection project, railway, garden and landscape, and etc. Shanghai Construction has been listed in the top 30 of the top 225 international contractors by ENR for several successive years. Architectures are the crystallization of civilization and reflective of the scientific and technical strength of mankind. By promoting the development and application of high-tech and applicable technologies, the core competitiveness of Shanghai Construction has been improved steadily. At present, Shanghai Construction owns 2 academicians of Chinese Academy of Engineering, a group of state-level young specialists, experts enjoying state council perquisites, great masters in surveying and designing, and large number of forerunners in special professional fields. With the state-level technical center and the technical research systems of different levels as the backbone, Shanghai Construction has made great achievements in the innovation development. In various construction engineering fields, relying on a series of comprehensive core technologies of its own, Shanghai Construction has been awarded 4 first-class National Science and Technology Progressive Prize and dozens of scientific and technical prizes awarded by Ministry of Construction and Shanghai Municipal Government. Being inclusive and good at drawing upon others' strength, Shanghai Construction is taking the lead in China's building industry. With its business covering nearly the entire building industry, it is capable of integrating related social resources in its business. In the field of investment, designing and consulting service, construction engineering, electromechanical equipments installation, building decoration, and garden and landscape projects, Shanghai Construction owns a competitive and leading workforce which could provide comprehensive general contracting service to the society. Shanghai Construction spares no effort in improving its service and meeting various needs of the clients. Shanghai Construction is also engaging in and has completed some well-known EPC, BT and BOT projects. With harmony as the fundamental principle, always pursuing the best. This is the conception pursued constantly by Shanghai Construction. With sustained efforts, we are in pursuit of the prospect of beautiful city with better life and elegant architecture with better environment. While providing service to city building, the experiences of Shanghai Construction in putting into practice most updated worksite energy saving and environment protection regulations and standardized management system have all been popularized and applied all over China. In the past 50 years and more, a picture of new Shanghai has been painted with giant pen by Shanghai Construction. And the world has also witnessed the growth of the vigorous Construction Group Corporation. Marching on path to future, we know clearly the responsibility ahead of us. Our goal is not just what is to be built in China. What we are to show to China and the world should be innovation and creativity embodied Oriental wisdom and the development theme of harmony and win-win prospect. So Shanghai Construction will continue to march forward with the time and the world. There's a saying that architecture is the attractive tune of fixed music. Builders of Shanghai Construction would like to form a great symphony orchestra. Now, tune of the new movement has been struck up. We'll compose the brilliant tune of this flourishing age together with you.